Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix desktop icon missing from your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your desktop icon is missing from the quick access, then I will show you how to get it back. First of all, you have to just right click on the start menu, then click on run. Here you need to type percentage user profile percentage, then click OK. Here you will find desktop, right click on that, click on show more option. Here you will find pin to quick access. Now you can see the desktop has been pinned to quick access. That's it guys. So in this way you can get back desktop icon on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.